How to fix Messenger not showing active friends on iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem on your iPhone or on your Android device. After you open up now your mobile phone, now go and open up your Play Store, App Store. Make sure to update the Messenger. Just search for Messenger like this now. After you search for Messenger, tap on the Messenger and make sure to update. After you update your Messenger, go and open the Messenger app. After you open the Messenger app like this now, go to your menu. After you come to the menu, go to settings. So under the settings, now scroll to down and tap on this active status button, this one. Under the active status button, make sure you turn on this option now. Before you come to this option now, this active status maybe is turned off. So make sure you turn it on like this. After you turn it on like this, now go back again and go to this chat section. So from this option now, you can be able to see how many of your friends are online, how many of your friends are active now on Facebook Messenger. That's it, guys. Each of your friends that has this, as you can see now, this little great icon, each of your friends that has this green little icon means that the person is online. So all these people are online now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.